She sells seashells by the seashore. उ समुद्र किनारामा शंखहरू बेच्छ. He who laughs last laughs best. अन्तिममा हाँस्ने नै राम्रोसँग हाँस्छ. Actions speak louder than words. कामहरू शब्दहरू भन्दा बलियो बोल्छन्. A picture is worth 1,000 words. एउटा तस्बिरले हजारौं शब्दको मूल्य बोल्छ. The early bird catches the worm. चाँडो उठ्ने चराले किरा समाउँछ. Better late than never. कहिले नगर्नु भन्दा ढिलो राम्रो. Better late than never. Honesty is the best policy. इमानदारी नै सबैभन्दा राम्रो नीति हो. Practice makes perfect. अभ्यासले नै पूर्णता ल्याउँछ. Every cloud has a silver lining. प्रत्येक बादलको रेखामा चाँडीको घेरा हुन्छ. Actions have consequences. कार्यहरूका परिणाम हुन्छन्. Actions have consequences. Time waits for no one. समय कसैले पर्खिदैन. Time waits for no one. Love conquers all. प्रेमले सबैलाई जित्छ. Love conquers all. Knowledge is power. ज्ञान नै शक्ति हो. Knowledge is power. ज्ञान नै शक्ति हो. Health is wealth. स्वास्थ्य नै सम्पत्ति हो. Health is wealth. स्वास्थ्य नै सम्पत्ति हो. The pain is mightier than the sword. The pain is mightier than the sword. कलम तरवार भन्दा बलियो हुन्छ. Beauty lies in the eyes of beholder. सुन्दरता हेर्नेको आँखामा हुन्छ. धन्यवाद. Prevention is better than cure. रोकथाम उपचार भन्दा राम्रो हो. Necessity is the mother of invention. आवश्यकताले आविष्कारको जन्म दिन्छ. Better safe than sorry. सुरक्षित रहनु पछुताउनु भन्दा राम्रो हो. Better safe than sorry. The book is read by many people. किताब धेरै व्यक्तिहरूले पढ्छन्. The book is read by many people. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. अन्डाबाट चल्ला ननिक्लुन्जेल नगन्दिनुस्. The letter was written by her. पत्र उनले लेखेकी थिइन्. The letter was written by her. पत्र उनले लेखेकी थिइन्. Too many cooks spoil the broth. धेरै भान्सेले सुप बिगार्छ. Too many cooks spoil the broth. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bus. हातको चरा बोटको दुई चरा भन्दा राम्रो हो. The grass is always greener on the other side. अर्कोपट्टि घाँस सधैँ हरियो देखिन्छ. Action speaks louder than words. कामले शब्दभन्दा बढी तेज बोल्छ. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. 1000 माइलको यात्राको सुरु एक कदमले हुन्छ. Good things comes to those who wait. राम्रो कुराहरू प्रगति गर्नेहरूसम्म पुग्छन्. Fortune favors the bold. भाग्यले साहसीलाई मन पराउँछ.